Assalamualaikum semua. My name is Muhammad Fikri Beridwan. Today I will introduce about level sensor. You know what is level sensor, guys? Level sensor is a device for determine the level or amount of fluids, liquids or other substance that flow in an open or closed system. There are two types of level measurement namely. First, continuous, and second, point level measurement. Continuous level measurement are used for measuring a level to a specific limit, but they provide accurate result. But in the other hands, level sensor or point sensor only determine if the liquid level is low or high. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Taufik bin Matisa. Today, I want to explain about point level measurement. What is a point level measurement? Point level sensor are used to measure the level of liquid, slurry or solid media. It transmits a signal when level become too high or too low. When the media reach the specific level, the signal transmitted by the point level switch trigger an alarm. Also used to trigger pump or supply valve to return reset level. Example of that sensor are float switch, capacitance, optical, conductivity, and turning task.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Adam. So I will explain about float switch. Okay, so a float switch is a type of a level sensor which is a device to detect the level of a liquid in a tank. Okay, so this switch may use to control a pump as an indicator to control the device and to avoid the liquid to access the tank is overfilled. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shami bin Takilan. So today I will talk about operating principle of capacitance in level sensor. Capacitance level instrument operate on the basic principle of the variation of the electrical capacity of capacitance of the capacitor formed by the sensor, vessel wall, and the electrical materials. Next, a capacitor is made up of other by dielectric. The storage capability of a capacitor defined by the capacitance, whereas the symbol is C, is directly dependent on the plate area. Is symbol of A. They are distance apart D, and the dielectric constants of the material between the plates where the formula is C, capacitance is equal to the sum of area is divided by diameter. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aswad Nalwi. I will now talk about optical level sensor, which is one of the point level measurement. So, optical level sensor detects liquid containing suspended material interface between two immiscible liquid and the presence of sediment. They are operate based on the transmission that are operate based on the transmission chains of the infrared of LED. The interference from the emitted light can be eliminated by employing a high energy infrared diode and pulse modulation methods.
Assalamualaikum. Hello guys. My name is Nasrullah Zikri Zulkifli. Now I will tell you all about conductivity level switch. Conductivity level switch are sensors with an electrical contact output at a specific liquid levels. Application includes pulse, receivers, sumps, loose vessels, and open tanks.
And my name is Hari Izzuddin bin Rosdi, and today I will talk about tuning fork. A tuning fork is an acoustic resonator in the form of two prongs with prongs formed from a U-shaped bar of elastic metal. It resonates at a specific constant pitch when set vibrating by striking it against a surface or with an object and emits a pure musical tone once the high overtones fade out. A tuning fork's pitch depends on the length and mass of two prongs. They are traditionally used in standard sorts of musical instruments. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is ZAIDI.TUMARI. Today I want to talk about measuring technique for continuous level measurement. In continuous level measurement, the level of a medium in a tank or silo is detected with the help of different measuring methods and converted into an electronic signal. The level signal is either displayed directly on site or incorporated into a process control management system. The example of continuous level measurement is ultrasonic and radiator. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is ZAIDI. Firstly, I want to tell about the first continuous level measurement. That is ultra level sensor. What is ultra level sensor? Ultra level sensor are used for detecting the levels of various liquid substance and bulk materials as well. They are operated by emitting acoustic wave at frequency range of 20 kHz to 200 kHz. The sound waves are then reflected back to a transducer. The response of ultrasonic sensor is influenced by pressures, turbulence, moisture and temperature. In addition, the transducer is required to be mounted appropriately to obtain better response.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fazli. Okay, I will talk about continuous level measurement. That is radar level measurement. Radar can be divided into two. That is non-contact radar and guide wave radar. Okay, I will talk about non-contact radar. Non-contact radar suffer much signal loss due to natural tendency over the space. Okay, for the guide wave radar, use a metal rod. That is to supply the wave of the signal. Okay, the level measurement can measure the liquid, gas, and also the solid.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad bin Asri. Today I will explain about radar sensor. I will tell about other type of continuous level measurement that called radar sensor. The radar level sensor is transmitted by antenna system of radar sensor to measure product. It can transmit and receive high frequency radio wave to measure distance to the surface of liquid base. Okay, next, radar sensor used to detect substance such as liquid, powder and granular material. Some level sensor can be used for any fluid and can be used for certain substance.